Okay guys, today we will do unboxing for Moka pot. The brand is Bialetti Moka Induction, specially for induction stove, and this is made in Romania, not made in China, so I heard the quality is better, and you have to use the induction stove. I mean, use Moka that's specially made for induction stove, because it's the induction stove is have specific characteristic that okay. We open this, and this is the package. We have one manual book here, long things to read. Okay, I will keep this to read later. And then this is the stove, the Moka Induction. This is quite heavy, and you can see the special Moka pot for induction will be the surface of the bottom is flat. So yeah, it's good for induction stove. And also you have to think about the length. This has to be quite big, because yeah, if not quite big, the induction stove will not recognize this stuff. Okay, and then yeah, it is quite thick, and this is good. And this is the Moka pot. Yep, this also quite big. And yes, for the coffee water. Okay, this is good from Bialetti. No, this is an indication made in Italy. Nice. Maybe this part is made from Italy, I don't know. There is a rubber here. This is good, which is yeah, better in quality, I think. Yes, and nothing more inside, but yeah, this is designed in Italy, made in Romania, according to Bialetti quality standard. I guess this is a quick introductions about this product. This is for 100 milliliter, or equivalent to 2 cups of coffee. And this is good also if you need the steamer. I think enough for this video, and yeah, thank you for watching. See you, goodbye.